Hello, in this video, we will introduce type conversions and rounding. Can you perform binary operations with two operands of different types? Yes, if an integer and a float are involved in a binary operation, Python automatically converts the integer to a float value. This is called type conversion. So here, 3 times 4.5 is same as 3.0 times 4.5. Sometimes it's desirable to obtain the integer part of a fraction number. You can use the function int value to return the integer part of a float value. So for example here, 5.6 here is now, with this int, you obtain the integer part. The fractional part is truncated. Note that so here it is the fractional part is truncated. What about round? You can use the round function. So here is 5.6. You can use round to get this is 6. So please note that when you apply these functions, int and round, they do not change the variables being converted. For example, the value is 5.6. After you do a round, the value is still 5.6. You only return a new value, but the old value here, value is still there. The variable value is not changed. So let's look at this example here. We are going to get this tax from this purchase amount. This is the purchase amount. Now this purchase amount times 6%, this is going to be the tax. So we want to display the result as this 2 digits after the decimal point. So if you simply say, I'm going to display this tax, now see what happens. You are going to have this 3 here. I don't want this 3, so let's get rid of 3 by using this int here. I'm going to have this tax times 100 divided by 100. So this will give us this 2 digits after the decimal point. So this is right here. Now you can do it using round. This is here. You can say, I'm going to run it. So this is the round. That is all for this video on type conversions and rounding. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.